Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to install Python in your computer. So for this, first you have to open the website python.org. So here after going there, just go to downloads. So in downloads you have to select your operating system. So here I am selecting the Windows because I am having the Windows operating system. After picking that, it takes few seconds. Yeah, after picking that, here it will show you the different versions of the Python softwares and bit, whether it is the 32-bit or 64-bit. So here if you right click on the this PC and click on the properties, here you can see the bit system of your operating system. So whether it is the 64-bit or 32-bit. So here it is showing as the 64-bit. So I am going to install the 64-bit version of the Python. So for this what you have to do is, here you can select any of your version. So for suppose here I want to select the 3.9.7. So this version cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier, means it can work on Windows 8 and above. So click on the 64-bit. Now just click on keep. Yeah, it takes few seconds for downloading that one. So after downloading that, you can start the installation. Yeah, after it has been successfully downloaded, so once go to downloads in your browser. So go to downloads. So here it has shown that this is the software you have downloaded in your computer. So simply click on show folder. Now here it is showing the Python version. So for installing that, simply double click this one. So during installation, you have to do very first thing is that you have to add Python 3.9 to the path. Simply put tick mark here, and after that you have to change the installation location. It's better, even though you are installing like this, it works, but it's better not to install on C drive, because in C drive you don't have the complete permissions. Sometimes some file modifications are not allowed, so that's why better to install in some other drive. So here go to that one. So here go to the custom installation. So after that click on the next. So here you have to change the installation location by clicking on the browse. So after clicking on the browse, here in this PC I want to install in D drive. I have created one folder for Python. So just click on that Python. In this folder I want to install. So after selecting the particular folder, first you have to create the folder, then select that one, then click on OK. So path has been fixed. In D drive Python folder it is going to be installed. Now if you click this one, it will be installed for all the users. Now simply click on install and click yes. Now it takes around few seconds or few minutes. Within no time your Python software will be completely installed in your computer. So that installation has been successful. Now just click on close. Now you want to check that whether it is installed properly or not. Simply open the command window and type python hyphen version. It is showing the Python version as 3.9.7, means your Python software has been successfully installed in your computer. So after that, whenever you want to write a programs, so here the software is giving by default one editor, that is the idle. So click on the search and type idle. So this is the Python default editor. So click on this one. So then it will open the Python shell. So here you can write the small commands and you can run it. So like if you want to print in a message, print hello. So it will print the message hello and everything is working fine. And if you want to write a programs in a Python file, so for that what you have to do is, first you have to go to the file and click on new file. For this one separate window will be open. So here you can write the Python program and you can save it and you can run it later. So for suppose here print hello. So this is single line. So like this, if you want to write 10 to 20 lines, like that, any number of lines you can write. So just I have written sample one. So after writing this, simply click on save. So it asks you to save in any location. Better decide one location outside the installation folder. Desktop I want to save it as, so testing 2.py. So py doesn't need, because here save type as already they have given as the Python files. So automatically .py extension will be added. Now click on save. Now you can run your program. So by clicking on the F5 or by going through this menu option also. For this, for running your program, shortcut is F5. Simply click on that one. Your program has been executed and displayed the hello 5 times. So this is the way you can install the Python software in your computer and you can write the programs. That's all.